Hello everyone, welcome to Chandigarh Civil Services Academy's YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Afghan peace process. What is the current situation? What are the future possibilities? And what is India's role in this picture? So what is the current situation right now? The USA decided that it is going to pull out its troops by September. और ये प्रोसेस काफ़ी जल्दी हो रहा है 50% से ज़्यादा ट्रूप्स उन्होंने पुल आउट कर लिए हैं एंड दैट हैज़ एम्बोल्डन्ड तालिबान इवन फर्दर द तालिबान राइट नाउ इज़ इन वायलेंट परसूट ऑफ पावर वो टारगेटेड असैसिनेशंस कर रहे हैं ऑफ द की सिविल ऑफिसर्स एंड द ऑपोजिशन पीपल अनदर ट्रेंड दैट इज़ emerging is that Taliban has now started capturing the big cities. The big urban centers like Kabul and Kandahar, they used to be under the control of government and their allies, but now Taliban is on their doorstep. So the war is intensifying day by day, despite the peace talks happening parallelly, and there is a huge loss of life. So the situation is very contradictory in itself. And when we call this process a peace process, we need to question this, that whether Taliban want peace or not, because there's a very famous saying by Taliban that you may have the watches but we have the time. So they clearly are not interested in peace talk and they never agreed to power sharing. So now we look at what are the future possibilities and what can be expected in future. Firstly, the return of Islamic Emirate of Taliban. The Taliban is expected to rule in future, and what kind of rule will it be? Will it be the kind of rule they had in 1996 to 2001, where the minorities and women were brutally treated and there was a ban on girls' education? There was executions at the public square. So will it be the same again? Or another scenario can be that after 2001, when the USA came, there was some improvement in civilian life, and in the past 20 years, a group has emerged which has received non-religious education and they know a better life can exist. So उनकी तरफ से resistance face करना पड़ सकता है, और ये जो urban educated youth है, they can resist in a big way. And thirdly, what can be expected in future is a spillover effect. A spillover effect in the nearby countries. For example, Iran. Iran has some links with Taliban. However, it is of the view कि जो Pakistan dominated Taliban है, that will run the show. And the Afghan people themselves resent this idea that Pakistan dominated Taliban faction will control the things in future. Now, to understand the fourth point, that is Pakistan's blackmail game, we need to know that the USA is planning to have some bases in the nearby countries like Pakistan and the Central Asian countries, so that in future, in case the things accelerate, they'll be able to strike back. So the Central Asian countries, they are unwilling to give the USA those bases because उन पर Russia और China की influence है. So what another option does the USA have? Pakistan. Pakistan will allow USA to have those kind of bases from where they can quickly strike in case the things accelerate. So it is very natural that Pakistan will have an upper hand in all the negotiations. Now, after looking at some of the future possibilities, we now look at what is India's role in this whole situation. Firstly, India is a better placed country there. It is quite liked by all the stakeholders. We have created infrastructure in Afghanistan. We have created various kind of facilities there. So it is expected out of us that we will play a constructive role in this situation. So what should be done? We should engage with all the stakeholders in Afghanistan, including Taliban. There are some elements in Taliban who want to be a part of state structure constructively and who want to defend the integrity of Afghanistan. So to engage with that kind of faction will be good. Also, we can collaborate with like-minded countries so that a rough balance of power is created to prevent a total takeover of the state. Lastly, we should continue our development assistance like the way we have in the past years. So these were some of the points in which India can play a positive role in reconstructing Afghanistan.